So, good morning and good evening. Thanks for joining this webinar that is on the topic SAP Analytical Cloud. My name is Amar Raut and I am working as a HANA consultant and dealing with multinational companies. And today I have Nidhi Patil with me, who is one of our expert in SSE. She will talk about SSE, its connection with different systems, data preparation and wrangling, and live demonstration of how SAP Analytical Cloud can be used in real-time data analysis. It will help to visualize and analyze the data. So before going to the topic, let me give a quick overview of our organization. Nidhi, can you change the slide? Yes, thank you. Realtors is a global consulting firm spread across different geography. We have presence in India, UAE, Singapore, Canada, and United States. We have partnership with service provider like SAP, Salesforce, Tricentic, and many more. You can see on the slide. We already provide our service to major Fortune 500 companies. So without further delay, I will hand it over to Nidhi to discuss today's topic. Over to you, Nidhi.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on unlocking the power of data with SAP Analytics Cloud. This session will provide you with the knowledge that leverage SAP Analytics Cloud for data-driven decision making within the organization. We will dig into key features and their impact on various business aspects. So first we'll go through the agenda slide. In the data connection, we will understand how to establish connection and extract data for seamless data preparation and manipulation. We will explore the functionalities of Data Analyzer and Story Builder to create insightful visualization and learn how to build custom analytics application for specific needs. Further, we are going to discover the power of augmented analytics features. And finally, we'll gain practical experience through a guided demonstration showcasing the data processing workflow in SAP Analytics Cloud. So, what is SAP Analytics Cloud? SAP Analytics Cloud is a top-notch system as a service solution built on SAP Cloud Platform, which combines all the functionalities related to data analytics, including business intelligence, augmented analytics, predictive analytics, and enterprise planning. SAP Analytics Cloud has built-in self-service analytics for business intelligence, which is exploring data across different departments of organization. It delivers insights based on collected data to improve the decision-making process. Augmented analytics includes a set of analytic cloud features that enhance the analytic process using machine learning and AI capabilities. SAP Analytics Cloud is known for offering planning functionalities based on accurate prediction. It allows us to forecast future outcomes which are based on the past data of the organization. Enterprise planning makes it easy to analyze potential outcome of different decisions that were taken at the initial stage of the planning. So, what is SAP Analytics Cloud is clear. So, why SAP Analytics Cloud is used? As there are multiple tools in the market which are giving a tough competition to SAP Analytics Cloud. So why we prefer Analytics Cloud over those tools? As SAP Analytics Cloud empowers user across all levels to make data-driven decisions faster by streamlining data preparation, analysis, and visualization on one platform. It delivers real-time and near real-time insights through its high-performance analytic engine, enabling you to react quickly to critical business situations. It provides a user-friendly interface that minimizes the learning period, allowing user of skills to interact effectively with its services. It offers flexible deployment options, including on-premises, cloud, hybrid models. It seamlessly integrates with existing SAP and non-SAP systems. It also allows efficient access and management of data from various sources, including relational database, cloud applications, flat files, streamlining data consolidation and analysis. Next is data connections. So we can build a data connections incompatible with different data sources and types. We can connect our existing infrastructures with hundreds of different data sources through SAP Analytics Cloud. Mainly, SAP Analytics Cloud supports live data connections and import data connections. So first we will see what is live data connection. Live data connection establish a direct link between SAP Analytics Cloud and the source systems, which may be on-premises as well as the cloud systems. The cloud data sources had a direct connection with SAP Analytics Cloud landscape. The other systems like on-premises system needs a cloud connector to connect with SAP Analytics Cloud. The cross-origin resource sharing is accessible on the data source, which is configured on the data source to create a direct connection with SAP Analytics Cloud. The query is generated over SAP Analytics Cloud landscape and gets further transferred to tunnel connections with on-premises system, which has allows the data to transfer it to SAP Analytics Cloud after processing the query. The firewall plays a role of being to restrict the unbound traffic from the other out data sources, which can be traveled to SAP Analytics Cloud landscape. The next is import data connection. In import data connection, the SAP Analytics Cloud serves a mechanism to bring the various data sources on a single platform. We can connect the SAP Analytics Cloud to different on-premises systems through import data connection with the help of SAP Cloud Connector, Analytics Cloud Agent. The SAP Analytics Cloud Agent is used to connect data sources with SAP Analytics Cloud. The cloud agent retrieves the data from data sources and then transferred it to a cloud connector. The cloud connector securely transfers the data to SAP Analytics Cloud landscape. SAP Analytics Cloud has a direct connection with the cloud applications like Salesforce, OData Services, and SuccessFactors. It can be integrated with the third-party application through the integration suite. SAP import data connection has the benefits of creating the import data connection in centralized data, as all the data is imported from different data sources on a single landscape. It also allows us for offline analysis and data transformation, as there is no need of network which will be connect data with the other on-premises sources. The data can be transformed as the data is imported over the SAP Analytics Cloud storage. So next is the data processes in SAP Analytics Cloud. There are multiple data processes in SAP Analytics Cloud through which we can we can bring data together, clean it up, analyze it, and visualize it to gain insights. The first is data wrangling. The data wrangling is basically known as to create and analyze the data in the format of datasets and models. When we need to prepare, enhance, and optimize the data, we using the SAP Analytics Cloud with advanced data wrangling and data preparation workflow. This can be done with models and datasets. SAP Analytics Cloud offers two ways to prepare data. The one is datasets and the other is models. Datasets are ideal for ad hoc analysis, which means we can do simple slicing and dicing of data for further understanding of data relationship. And it allows us to do a simple predictions or straightforward prediction using case like smart predicts. The benefits of choosing data sets are it can get automatically reflect many changes to the data, saving your times and efforts. You can directly edit the data within the data set without losing any information. And it also allows us the manipulation ease. Models are ideal for governed data, which means company rules, which is crucial. Models help by automatically checking your data against those rules. Models prefer format of working with live data connections, featuring real-time analysis, as well as it is well suited for handling complex prediction involving time series data. The benefits of models are it supports data enforcement, which enhances the data reliability. It also supports modification and access control by setting granular access control for different users. While choosing between the datasets and models, we can consider the purpose of analysis, the level of data control, needs, and the frequency of updates we needed. So once the data is prepared, it can be further classified or consumed in the form of stories, where we can build stories over the datasets and models. The next data process is the data analyzer. The data analyzer is a predefined ready-to-run application for live SAP BW queries or live SAP HANA views and SAP Cloud models. For ad hoc analysis, data analyzer lets you slice and dice your data on demand. This means you can filter, rearrange the dimension and measures, and drill down the data to quick explore and understand different aspects of your data. Enabling valuable ad hoc analysis, data analyzer empowers you to uncover hidden patterns and trends from data by letting you explore, visualize, and slice your information. This reveals actionable insights that guide information decision making within the organization. So next is the data visualization. After creating the data sets and models and analyzing the data, we had to consume it in the form of stories, where as SAP Analytics Cloud Story is a presentation style document that uses charts, visualization, text, images, and pictograms. Stories are the center of SAP Analytics Cloud experience. They let you explore interactively to find insights and visualize information with charts and tables. As we know, the story is built up of pages, and the pages are further classified into canvas, responsive, and grid. For pixel perfect layout and precise control, we prefer a canvas page as it has a fixed width. For mobile friendly and adaptable visualization, responsive page is preferred as it has more interactive features and more visualized way of representing to the client. For representing large data sets in structured way, we can choose grid page, which shows the data in a tabular format. Once the data is prepared and analyzed and visualized over the form of pages, and we can even advance the data by just adding geomaps through which we can visualize the data in the form of maps over the geographical maps. We can enhance the story by adding images and shapes. The next process is analytic application design. The analytic application design lets you bind powerful and user-friendly dashboards, planning tools, and smart analytics all in one place. Analytical designer gives you high flexibility to create powerful application for data analysis and data planning, which is suited for the business needs. It allows us to customize personalized dashboards, reports for focused analysis. It seamlessly connect and integrate the application with various data sources for comprehensive analysis. It enables user to build custom modules or functionalities beyond the core application offerings. It builds reusable modular components to save time and ensure consistent design across the application. It allows access to pre-built content for faster insights and reduced development time by giving the access for content network, which can be utilized and again reusable. It makes the application more mobile friendly for on-the-go analytics. The next process is augmented analytics. Augmented analytics empower user to make faster data-driven decisions with the help of automated insights and AI-powered features. These features reduce the need for extensive data exploration and manual analysis, making it easier for everyone to discover hidden patterns, gain deeper insights, and act on valuable insights. There are 5 different categories in which the augmented analytics is classified, or it gives the features of these 5 categories. The first is smart insights. Smart insights make it easy for user to explore beyond the data that is visible at the first appearance. It forms textual insights combined with visualization to provide the information about selected data points. For further analysis, and it is easily accessible inside the story below the specific charts. Smart discovery, it's analyze the data by running a machine learning algorithm to explore data in specific context, to uncover an unknown relationship between columns within the data sets. Smart discovery gives an overview of data by automatically building charts to discover more of the data. Search to Insights let you ask questions in plain language to explore and analyze the data, providing visual insights and automatically generating charts based on queries. Smart Predicts, it provides a workplace where we can create and compare predictive models to find the best one of the predictions. Just as is the latest launch of SAP Analytics Cloud, which is just launched in the last quadrant of 2023, through which we can natural language query interface used to query data powered by AI. It enables one to search data easily and efficiently using familiar basic terms, which is present in the datasets or data models. We will go through a guided demonstration to get more about how SAP Analytics Cloud is worked. Is the screen visible?
Yes, Nidhi, it is visible.
Yeah. So here is the demonstration of SAP Analytics Cloud, as we have the homepage of SAP, which welcomes us on the first welcome page of SAP Analytics Cloud. Here are the different tools from which we can create the different types of story, analytical applications, and data analyzer. We can create data sets, models, and we can connect the content network with networks with the live data connections and the on-premises system through this. Just by providing the name of host and HTTP post, we can create a connection between the different sources. First, we will build a data set from a flat file, which is the data Excel file. We will import the Excel file into SAP Analytics Cloud landscape. The file gets imported in SAP Analytics Cloud, which analyzes the data from the Excel file and then do the analysis over the imported data and categorize it into the form defined in measures and dimensions. Once the data is prepared, the SSC do a internal visualization over the data or analyze the data over the different parameters. As you can see, the SSC defaultly categorize the data into the form of measures and dimensions. Here we can analyze our data, what type of fields are present in our data sets, and what predictions we can do over this data. So we can see if we have selected a date, the SAP Analytics Cloud directly sets the data type of date and then has created the format of the date. Further, when we classify our data, we get the more fields like longitude and latitude, which we categorize under the location by creating a geo enrichment, through which we will create a location dimension under which the latitude and longitude is categorized, through which we can create geomaps on which we will visualize the data of longitude and latitude coordinates over the geographical maps. We can further drill down the data with hierarchies like parent and child level hierarchies. Once we save the data sets, we can further utilize it in the form of stories to visualize data. and to find the more about what the data is want to say to us. We will create a canvas page for the basic creating of a dashboard. So these are the widgets available for us to create tables and geo maps, input controls. We can add text, buttons by scripting. So we will add pages and we will go to a predefined layout like contains and keys. Directly import the layout, which includes widgets and charts, which are directly present over the story. Through which after the layout is imported inside the dashboard, we can customize the data by adding measures and dimension over it. As there are different types of charts like bar charts, stack charts. So by clicking over to create a stack chart, we need to add the data model which we have created. Once the data sets is added to the story, we can add the measures and dimension to create a basic charts for categorization of the data. We can further customize it with the patterns and colors as we needed as per the business needs to interact more efficiently with the data. Here we will categorize the data based on sales revenue and the product categories. The data is getting categorized on the basis of sales revenue per raw material, per region, and per product category. Here we are creating a chart basis on the date and the sales revenue. The numeric points used to give a total analysis of what the field is showing, like sales revenue. If we have selected the numeric point, so we are able to view the whole amount or the unit of what the sales revenue is and what's the unit price is. We can customize it by giving colors and changing the font size by selecting the different types of colors and patterns. Through this, we are giving the input controls by creating a dimension selection over the product category. And by applying the selection parameters over the data gets filtered over a specific selection. Like here I have selected for formal wear. So all the data get filtered over the single selection. Further, we will do the linked analysis through which the data with all the widgets get linked with each other. If we select on a single parameter, the whole data get reflected with the same thing. Once the dashboard is created, we will create the dashboard for geo maps, in which we will create a layer in which we will select the type as a heat map, where we will add the dimension of location. The dense region of the area will shows with the filter of sales revenue, which is the red color. This shows the data which is having the sales revenue for a particular region. We will just give a title for the story. And save the final touches of story within our SAP Analytics Cloud storage. Once the data is stored, we can view it over a browser and analyze the data on basis of different data points which were selected over the story. So this is from my side.
Thank you, Nidhi, for a wonderful session. Now I will request attendees if they have any questions that they can write in the Q&A section. Okay, we have a question. How do we access the model in the case of SAP DataSphere?
As SAP DataSphere is a cloud platform, it builds a direct connection with SAP Analytics Cloud, which we can consume the data models from DataSphere, SAP DataSphere to SAP Analytics Cloud and build a visualization over the models.
Okay, thank you, Nidhi. The next one is like, how do we data preparation possible in which type of connection? Whether it, like in which type of connection it is possible data preparation?
So as we said, the data preparation can be possible in import data connection as we are importing the data and copying the data into SAP Analytics Cloud storage, which means the data gets stored in the storage. So we can do data preparation over that data. As the live data connection won't support is because we are utilizing the data directly from the source system and utilizing it in SAP landscape. So the data preparation can be done in import data connections.
Okay, thank you, Nidhi. One more last question before we wind up. How do we differentiate it with Power BI or SSC is dependent only on SAP products?
So as Power BI and SAP products, like SAP is giving a predefined platform with a single platform which is connecting with different data sources. Like SSC can be connected to DataSphere, HANA Cloud, SAP BW. So it is more important for us to connect it with the other different sources, and it can be also integrate with the third-party solutions. So it plays an important platform. So we can utilize it over Power BIs and other different tools available in the market.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Nidhi. Thank you so much for explaining in detail everything. We
Thank
are
you so
at the
much.
end of our session today. So I would thank everyone who joined the call. Thank you so much again for your presence.